If you want to unlink your Disney Plus account from Facebook, follow these simple steps to ensure your accounts are separated. This process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few minutes. Step 1. Open Disney Plus app or website. Launch the Disney Plus app on your device or visit the Disney Plus website on your browser. Make sure you are logged into your Disney Plus account. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to your account settings. This can usually be found by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen, then selecting Account from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Find linked accounts. In the account settings, look for a section labeled Linked Accounts or Connections. This section will show you any social media accounts linked to your Disney Plus account. Step 4. Unlink Facebook. Locate the option for Facebook within the Linked Accounts section. There should be an option to unlink or disconnect your Facebook account. Click on this option to proceed. Step 5. Confirm unlinking. You may be prompted to confirm your decision to unlink your Facebook account. Follow the on-screen instructions to finalize the process. Once confirmed, your Disney Plus account will no longer be linked to Facebook. By following these steps, you can successfully unlink your Disney Plus account from Facebook. If you have any further questions or issues, consider reaching out to Disney Plus customer support for assistance.